I don't want another vacations like the one we had in Cancun. Minator it was really terrible. We lost our suitcase on the first day and later our camera broke. Yes, and I remember that Marisa got sick after she ate seafood. We stayed at the hotel and we didn't enjoy the trip. That's true. We were sad because we wanted to have fun, but many bad things happening. So let's plan a better vacations this year. Read ID. I want to visit Cusco because it is a beautiful and interesting city. I agree we are going to travel there on December 18 and we are going to stay for 1 week. We are meeting at the airport at 7 in the morning, right? Yes. Don't be late this time. Don't worry. How are we going to travel? We are going to travel by plane because it is faster and more comfortable than the bus. First, we are going to visit Machu Picchu. Then we are going to walk around the Plaza de Armas and the San Pedro Market. I also want to take lots of pictures because we could take pictures on our last vacations. And if we and if want to traditional food, but this time we are going to choose a good restaurant. We are also going to hide and play soccer if we have enough time. What clothes are you going to take? I'm going to take jeans to the t-shirt, a jacket, and comfortable shoes. I'm going to take a sweater, hiking boots, a cap, and wear clothes because the weather is cold. I'm going to take a red jacket, blue jeans, and a scarf. What about accessories? I'm going to bring my backpack, my charger, and my headphones. I'm going to bring my camera, my sunglasses, and my passport. I'm going to bring a power bank and my match. I think this vacations is going to be much better. That's the last one. Yes, Cusco is more interesting than Cancun for history and Machu Picchu is the most beautiful place we are going to visit. Last year we weren't sick and disappointed, but now I feel excited because every time it's planned, I feel happy too, and I'm sure we are going to lose our suitcase again. I think we will have a wonderful vacations. We will make great memories and we will finally enjoy our summer together.